Welcome back, everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a worn out key fob. You can see this is really falling apart on me here. So I got a replacement key fob case from Amazon. What I'm going to do, take the guts, the computer chip and that out of this, as well as the spare key that's inside the key fob. And we're going to replace everything, put it inside this brand new key fob. Again, that I bought on Amazon. See, it's in perfect condition here. I mean, I can still make out what button I'm pushing here, but again, one day it's just gonna fall apart on me and I won't know what button I'm pushing. My lovely wife's gonna be, can you unlock the door? And I'm gonna be like this, sure. No, not, sorry, let me try again. There, now we got it. Okay, here we have our key fob. And as we discussed earlier, getting kind of worn out here, like that. So this is a 2016 Cadillac SRX. Now I bought this key fob case off Amazon. You can see it's just identical to the original. So because we're just moving the insides from one case into the other, this could apply for whatever kind of car you're driving if you have a worn out case like this. So I'm going to start off doing by sliding out the key. And we'll do the same with the new key fob. You can see the new key fob's just a blank key like that. All right, we're going to use the tool that pretty much everybody has, a butter knife. Gonna go to the part where the key fob goes in, slide that in just under it, just slowly crack that open like that. Open that up. Oh. Then what we're gonna do, is remove our battery. Just like that. Now we'll crack open the new key fob. Same thing. Open that up, just like that. See, it's got the same rubber liner there on the inside. And we're going to simply replace those tabs. Kind of go right through the circuit board there, so I'm going to pull those out just like that. There's a little like a gasket, clear gasket template there. I'll put that in the new fob like that. Okay, now we'll put our circuit board there. Same thing, we got these little nubs in the rubber membrane there. We're going to line it up with the holes in the circuit board. Just kind of wiggle that through and press them in place. See how those nubs come through like that? Then we'll set the circuit board in between the little rubbers there. Then we're going to take our battery, put it in our new fob. We're going to snap this back together, line up everything, make sure everything lines up nice. Just squeeze it together. There. Now it's a matter of putting our new key in here. There we have it. Good as new. There, now it's just a matter of getting out by the car, testing the fob, make sure everything works. Maybe we'll try unlocking it again. Just kidding. It all worked fine. Well, thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you if you need to change the case for your fob. It's a relatively inexpensive thing to do and just upgrades the look of that fob. So we'll see you on the next one.